Today is grocery day at halos every weekend na kaming nag-grocery ng mga bata at ng aking asawa. But this time, mga importante lang kasi last weekend, napalaki talaga yung gastos namin. Pero it happens once in a while. But today, napakaganda ng mood namin kasi tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda ng weather. And of course, dito sa Michigan, pag nag-start na yung fall, it's usually mahangin, maulan at saka malamig. But this time, napakaganda ng weather. But of course, hindi tayo lalabas ng bahay nang walang ID. At ito nga pala yung bag na hindi ko alam na it exists. So why not gamitin natin, di ba? I have this at napakatibay niya for the entire year. Hindi ko lang alam. So wala lang, chika ko lang sa inyo. But of course, yung unang pupuntahan is yung asawa ko at mga bata sa isang store. But ako naman is ida-drop off sa Goodwill, of course. Kasi next weekend, mag-a-attend ako ng baby shower. At of course, I need outfit. But I don't have to spend a lot of money for that. Kasi wala lang, it's a one-time event lang naman. And I am very pleased. But of course, gagawa ko ng separate video sa mga nabili ko dito. Eto, hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog, but of course, gagawa ako ng ibang video for that. Next stop is yung store na kung saan kami regular parate ng mga bata. And ganito, napakakulit at hinahayaan namin silang maglakad or na sila lang, pero we never leave our sight to them. And ayan guys, napakakulit lang talaga nila. At hindi ako makakapag-vlog during grocery time kasi I am a little bit busy. At kung napapansin nyo, yung kadena na red yan, hindi nyo makukuha yung cart pag walang coins. So, tapos na kami sa aming grocery. Punta muna kami sa semi-truck kung saan siya nakapark. At ito pala yung isa sa mga nabili ko guys in a pristine condition. I'm very proud of myself kasi ayan, hindi madali. But of course, kahit Goodwill lang, dapat maganda rin, di ba? Nagpagasolina muna kami first, tapos may kukunin lang kami sa semi-truck ng aking asawa, which is yung kape lang niya naman. So, we have a semi-truck at saka trailer, but yung trailer is hindi siya na-attach this time kasi nire-repair or nakapark siya somewhere. Ayan. Gusto kasi ng asawa ko na copy ko lang for the entire weekend yung kape niya. First time niya makatikim niyan is nang nagdala ako from the Philippines way back early 2021. So ayan, kinukuha niya lang dyan. And of course, bago kami makauwi, punta muna kami sa car wash at saka slushy. Mga snacks at saka drinks. Hindi nangyayari to every weekend but it's once in a while. So dating ganap, dating gawi, nawawala sila pagka pasok nila sa store kasi hinahanap nila kung ano yung mga snacks na gusto nila, but they always ended up buying sweets or mga candies na mga gummies, mga ganon. But of course, it's the weekend, they can choose whatever they want, and ayan, palakad-lakad lang. But of course, they need to ask their daddy first if it's okay for them to have this or to have that. Ayan, pili-pili lang sila. At of course ako, I have something in mind, pero dapat unahin ko muna sila before I get mine. At saka may kinukuhang popcorn dyan yung asawa ko kasi parating nagsusold out. At saka yung popcorn na yun is parang naging favorite na rin niya. Dinadala niya kasi sa trabaho niya para snack lang. Ayan. But hindi yan yung nakuha niya guys. Iba. Of course, yung daddy nila is nag-help or tinutulungan sila sa kanilang drinks kasi hindi sila pwedeng iwan ay baka yung mga drinks ay ma-waste or ma-spill. Hindi pwede yun kasi sasawayin sila of course ng store. Ayan, marami silang selection dito at eto naman yung popcorn na kinuha niya. Kinuha niya na lang lahat. But of course, this is mine. Ang tawag dito is fritters. I could be wrong pero apple fritters. Yung in-law ko kasi, binigay niya sa akin to when I got sick and other few drinks. And since then, I am hooked. And of course, ito nga yung kape. Hindi naman siya hindi naman siya full, pero I need to buy more online. Of course, pagkadating namin ng bahay, we need to unload everything kasi pupunta kami sa park. Kasi nag-request yung mga bata at saka dadalhin namin yung aso. But hindi na ako makakapag-vlog noon kasi my phone is about to drain. Ayan. So, we need to unload everything. But of course, yung mga bata, hindi sila pwedeng magbuhat ng hindi nila kayang dalhin. Sobrang kulit lang talaga nila, guys. And of course, my husband asked me not to show his face or not to, be included in the video. But that is okay. Tingnan nyo naman, guys, na napakaganda ng weather at that time. We're very happy na hindi kami natagalan kasi usually pag ganito nag-grocery kami, we got delayed kasi yung mga bata nga, we always do random things. Madidelay. But so far so good. At madali kaming nakauwi ng bahay, na-unload lahat, at saka nakapunta kami ng park. We only stayed there for like 45 minutes bago yung klase. But so far so good. We had an amazing day. We had a beautiful weather that day. And ganito lang kasimple yung weekend namin, guys. So, I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you next time and ingat po.